Welcome to our comparison of two innovative laundry solutions for travelers, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the 16L Foldable Portable Washer. In today's video, we will delve into their unique features, usability, and overall value to help you choose the best option for your travel laundry needs. Let's get started. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. In contrast, the portable washing machine is fully electric, providing automated cleaning, but requiring a power source. This fundamental difference dictates where each product excels. When it comes to weight, the Scrubba Wash Bag is incredibly lightweight at just 150 grams, making it easy to carry in any backpack. On the other hand, the portable washing machine weighs 2.05 kilograms, which may be a consideration for those who prioritize portability. The Scrubba Wash Bag has a very low capacity, suitable for only a few small garments, while the portable washing machine boasts a generous 16-liter capacity, allowing for larger loads. This makes the Sanguchiro a better choice for families or longer trips. In conclusion, the Scrubba Wash Bag is an excellent choice for those who need a lightweight, manual washing solution for travel, while the portable washing machine offers convenience and capacity for those who have access to electricity. Whichever you choose, both products provide unique benefits tailored to different needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.